There we go. We unmuted, bro.
Hello. Is there anybody in here?
Ooh.
How many viewers do we have? Concurrents.
7.
Concurrents? Really?
Alright, guys. We got some music here today.
Kicks, remember to put the music down low so we can put it higher to hear the boys in the Discord.
Oh, yeah. I'm just fighting. Why is this not playing?
Oh, let's get fucked up.
Oh, there you go.
Also join the live call. Why is nobody in the live calls?
Hello, hello.
Oh, the mana.
Laka.
Hey, the boys.
How's it?
Whoa, Andrei.
Hey.
Andrei. Zerach.
I wouldn't disappoint you. I would be here.
Hey.
Yo, this is slow when you do it like this, bro.
What's that?
If you try play from Spotify, bro.
Alrighty. Here we go. Live trading. Was it no?
Oh, let's get fucked up.
Oh.
Baby, let your body go. I'll make your mind go crazy and lose control. So come and move.
Marathon.
Hey, what's up, mana?
Lekker.
Yo, you can't even see that thing, bro. It's not even on the
Yeah.
channel. Like, I need to go into Discord.
Zie je zoals ik wat terug van niks wordt.
Sorry, echo.
Ja, die Discord en die YouTube.
Ja, just mute your Discord. Ons mics, mute.
Yeah, mute us on the Discord.
Of mute ons op YouTube.
They just know, but YouTube, they won't hear the music then.
Okay, I don't know, just...
You have to mute us on Discord.
Well, yeah, that's why I stay out of the market.
Hold on, can I just turn my mic off on?
Forecast, then
Oh, there we go. If I turn my mic off.
Yeah,
on-
turn
there you
turn
go.
your mic off. So then you can hear us on YouTube and then you don't hear anything on Discord.
the forecast was 0.3. What did you expect?
Okay, don't watch Bloomberg, guys. Who's watching Bloomberg there?
US dollar will gain strength, meaning gold will go down.
Oh, it's Anthony.
Right, just always work out exactly.
Anthony, brother, we need you to turn that off there, my man. Otherwise, just mute yourself.
Okay, let me log.
Usually you'll get a spike in either direction.
Okay, just mute him. On 20.
That current trend is all based on
Where's Anthony?
On 20. En wat sê, wat doen jy, chom?
For a minute there, it seemed like we had the sound.
Yeah, I'm changing it, guys. Don't worry, it's still gonna be here now. I'm just changing it. Time for the war music to come out.
En wat doen jy, sê is jy 'n boel? Of is jy 'n beer? Ah, no man.
Whew, the war music. Come on, guys. We're gonna bring it back just like we did last time.
Just positivity. Positivity.
We're gonna give it a little bit more, guys, till everyone's in, and then we're gonna start talking about what we are looking for and why we are looking for what we are.
Who's that one guy? Kick him or tell him to mute his mic. Whoever's mic is not... Can you see who it is? Just kick that brother.
Is that my boy Gibson?
Gibson, my brother, we are gonna kick you out if you do not work with us here.
Pro support, what type of warranty it is? Is it basically pro support? I'll give the expiry date if you need to talk about it.
Sure. The boys are just making this hard for us, yeah.
Yeah, bro. Then if it's like that, we just do the YouTube. All right. US 30. Nice tight little range there, and
All right, well, guys, I think in the meantime, we now sitting at 5 past. I think we can start talking a little bit of why we are looking for what we're looking for. So, from my side, in a nutshell, guys, I spoke to you that NFP for me is bullish. In a nutshell, guys, I spoke to you that NFP for me is bullish. Okay, guys. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I think we're just gonna kill the Discord thing. You guys just gonna have to watch.
Kill it. All right, let's do it.
Alright, so just watch in the stream, guys, if you're there, because yeah, that's not working. Oaks on muting mics and it's the stuff up. So yeah, we can actually turn the volume down normally now. So alright, I can't see anything on Discord, guys. Yes, just come watch the stream here now. We are gonna put everything on here for you guys. Why is the camera off? There we go, back on. Let's talk here now. Chris, you can just turn my lights on there for me, brother.
Oh yeah.
I see it's the lights are off. Alright. YouTube has no chart there. It's on now, Jason, so we're just checking everything over. So what are we looking at, guys? Forex Factory, let's start off there. So CPI, a flat number. CPI year on year, we're looking at a flat number, and CPI month on month, we are looking at a decrease there. So very, very short, we are looking for that decrease. Reason being is the restrictive policy with the restrictiveness on the monetary policy is just not working right now. We need to start seeing that softening come in, and Powell is waiting for some of the data. He's happy with it coming out and coming down slower and slower, but we need it to start coming down. We need to start seeing some indication, and I spoke to a few guys about this, that NFP, as you said, was manipulated. Chris and myself spoke about it. Was as easy as it was to say there was 270,000 jobs created, they leave out very nicely that 670,000 were lost. So again, that's where that unemployment starts to come in. So it's a very nice and easy way to manipulate the numbers, and they can go along with this in the sense of NFP can be manipulated, and they can take 3 weeks, they can take a month, whatever, to have that number revised, and it kind of throws everyone off. Again, we can be completely wrong here, but where I'm built with this is, you've seen now the euro bringing their cuts, you saw Canada bringing their cuts, the dollar needs to start following. And when we're starting to see all these numbers, it's just showing them. This is what the data is showing them. And they've got to try and fake out that guys can't anticipate in a nutshell when they are going to bring that cut. So even if we come out flat today, if we come out flat, you got to understand we're on the right side of this. That's what we're going to be looking for. The only way I see them going bullish today is if they want to basically hike. And genuinely, my brain, I just can't justify it. I can't see myself taking the buy. So I physically need to be going with the weak dollar. So weak dollar, we're going to be buying indices, buying gold. I can't buy the dollar. It's just not in my brain. And that's why we're saying, similar to what happened with last CPI, we're having this move where we had the gap. And I spoke to the guys of, I think CPI, if we come out bearish, you're going to have FOMC later in the evening to kind of save the dollar, reassure people and push it back up, which lines up perfectly for the Feds anyway. But if we have, for example, 2 news events that are going to come up bullish strength, that is just going to be insane. So obviously we have this gap now, which lines up perfectly for us to have that DXY sell-off. But at the same time, us trading back down, and this much is what's made it interesting, because the CPI, for example, if you look at DXY, is not going to be a move like this. It's going to be big. So it's a case of, does it be big and we can turn around? Or are we actually all not actually aware of how big this is going to be? and we possibly trade something like all the way down to like, yeah, possibly even back to the daily pivot. And there we see FOMC start reviving the dollar to come back up. Because again, we've had that breakaway we always talk about, but no retest. So is that the type of move we're going to see? Again, doesn't have to be a solid candle. This thing can come straight down, wick, and turn around. It's going to get very, very interesting. And at the same time, we've seen this. When we're looking at, technically, we've traded up with our gap. And we're holding these levels. When we're looking on a daily, literally massive wick rejection. Taking out the high of the day with the wick rejection again. We can't get clear of this rejection zone. So technically, they're trying to show us that price is just not letting the bulls take over here yet. And that for me is a big thing. When we've come into this zone in the past, you can see we break, we run away. And we have not been able to do that. And that's already something to me, just trying to say, listen, this can't do it. Look at break, ran away, break, run away. It's the fact that we are now for 3 days sitting here, not just sitting there close, we are rejecting massively. The bulls are going to need something, and the only way is if they do that hike, which for me personally, I just think is off the table. It's not realistic for DXY right now with the situation of what's going on in the economy. So again, when we look at that NFP, which threw everyone off, what if, again, we always talk about this, this is a nice game of poker, the whole NFP was your bluff. The whole NFP event was used as a bluff to throw everyone off. So that is what I'm looking at. That's where we're going to be locked in from my side. Chris, what's your thoughts?
Okay, share my screen. I just shared my... just close all this crack here. A lot of crack that was... Iron is now scarred for life. Alright, Chad. Is it on my screen?
On your screen, brother.
Okay, guys, what I want to talk about, and this is what is giving me a little bit of a ball ache, is the following. Remember when we talked about the start of the year, the consensus was 4 rate cuts. Inflation has been sticky the entire year. Inflation has been sticky the entire year, so we're constantly pushing out the probability of a rate cut for this year. So if inflation comes out in line or even close to 3.4, personally, I think that is bullish dollar. And you're going to say, Chris, why do I think that's bullish dollar? Because nothing has changed in terms of the inflation environment. So why would the Fed, if they see the same thing that they've seen this entire year, now all of a sudden say, listen here, we are going to negate inflation. We're just going to keep it moving. So that's the one thing. The second thing is that I've got the... Let me just do this. I've got this going, wait there, I've got this going. So looking at CPI and ADP, that's what I chatted about earlier today on stream. And looking at ADP, you can clearly see that there is a level of correlation. So obviously I was expecting lower NFP. NFP just went the other way. But look at CPI. So here's my thing. I just adjusted CPI by 10 to get it to fit on the same chart. So I basically multiplied it by 10 to give you this. But technically, I'm expecting a lower CPI number, but not expecting it lower than 3. The only way that I can really be super confident for the buys on US30 is if we come out lower than 3, because that changes the picture for the Fed going into today. So that is my only concern. If you look at the daily, I've painted the picture as well. There's the monthly pivot. If you go back to all the previous monthly pivots, early on in the month, we clapped those monthly pivot levels and we held above it. Previous month as well, this was the 11th. That is when we held above that monthly pivot and we pushed away. Previous months as well. So the monthly pivot for me is no small matter. You can see here, Every time we rejected a monthly pivot, we traded down. Every time we rejected a monthly pivot, we traded down. So technically, I'm bearish on US30. But again, the thing is, it's a double whammy. Like I said, very simply put, this daily candle, if this daily candle, Chad, does this today, very simple. For the rest of the month, I'm a bull. Because then we're above that monthly pivot. I've already shown you the last 5-6 monthly pivot levels. Very high probability we're going to trade bullish. But if this daily candle fills this wick down, we are obviously in trouble to go and retest this this neckline down here. So on a technical term, I'm bearish. Fundamentally, like I said, the landscape has not changed. Inflation is still sticky. That's why I'm split. I'm split between it. I don't want to go against Keegan, and I don't want to. I'm honestly 50-50. As I told Keegan as well, going into this, I said as much as we want to sound like we have our shit together here and everything is calculated, unfortunately, things are very 50-50 going into this.
Yeah, I think, guys, we've got to be honest with you. In this one, it is a tough one. This is probably the hardest one we've had this year.
Yeah.
It is so close. It really is. Like this, because of what's happening at the moment, this can literally be a make or break now for the next 6 months. Like this is the one that's going to change things. It's going to put a lot of pressure on what's going to happen on FMC tonight. Already the fact I've always said it's such a big event having CPI and FMC on the same day. This is not a normal occasion. It's going to be massive. And that's the thing. If you guys don't want to trade, because Christian and myself aren't even that locked in ourselves. We can almost see and justify in a way it going both ways, but that's from different aspects, different perspectives, taking things in from each side. It's like hearing the argument from both planktons. But my thing is, you kind of got your gut feeling, and that's what I said today for me is I've built my thesis, we've done our stuff, and it's going with the gut. As I said, I can't see myself going on with the other side, and I've chosen my side, and it's as simple as that. But that's why I want to just make it very clear to you guys. This is one. If you want to sit it out, no one's going to judge you, no one's going to do anything. This really is one. It's a 50-50. Like Chris even still said to me, bro, it's like, honestly, there's no harm in saying, bro, I'm taking a step back here today. This is a hard call to make. And that's what I said. I'm going with the Mars because that's what my gut is telling me. But obviously, yes, having still my plan behind it, but it definitely is a hard one today. So again, please just consider that before going in with us on this one today. It can be big, we can win big, but there's not going to be wicks today. I'm pretty sure of that one. There will not be wicks. It's just going to be a simple case of you got this one right or you didn't. There's no other two ways around it. Yeah, is that USD at the moment?
No. That's the previous CPI. No.
Oh, yes, I'm looking at that like, what?
No. I'm looking at it. Here's my thing though, Chad. The previous one drifted lower, and we started buying here. Remember, we started building positions here somewhere. And then I still said I was so nervous. I said, "Flip, I'm already in profit, and we are moving up." And now, look at what we've got now. Now we've got the opposite, and look what the 80 is doing. The 80 is starting to fizzle somewhat there. Yo, gigs, I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Not really, guys.
I haven't played. Yeah, here's the thing, Chad. So, win or lose, whatever you do here today, don't even feel bad about it. Because the main thing here is, and even if you want to sit it out, I'm giving myself 5 minutes to see what's happening here. I might even sit it out because I'm conflicted, and my gut is like, I actually have no clue. I've got a consensus. I don't know.
No, let's just say, guys, today it is a hard one today. There's no line about it. There's no bullshit today. Today is a hard one. Popcorn is ready for the show. I'm sitting on my hands for this one. Yeah, that's just it, guys. Please, it is tough. If we're not gonna bullshit you guys with this.
Does anyone know yet what Joash is doing? Somebody let me know.
DXY melting already. That it is. My thing is, guys, so DXY is melting. It is.
There's that gap for
but gold going that little bit bullish. Gold's literally sat flat in the range of the middle. Like if you look at this thing on the 15, this thing is, look at the EMAs. They are literally all three EMAs.
Sorry, it's on my screen.
I'll put it on now.
As it's in your screen.
All three EMAs are on top of each other. Literally all of them on top of each other. So, it is going to be tough. It really is a tough call to make today. Nasdaq holding around, just literally parked it over there. US 30, same thing. Thing is, yeah, we've crossed over. We're now above all of our EMAs. It's going to be big today, guys. It's going to be big. Thing is, for me, at the same point, this is the turnaround in US 30. Nasdaq breaking away. Gold. I also thought it was.
Right.
Yeah, that's your buys. If this thing pops off, there's the buys. And DXY, there's your pullback.
Does anyone know Jason Bowie VF launch, my brother? Anyone know what Joash Naidu is doing?
It's tough today, guys. It really is.
All three going for sell on gold. Shit.
Wait,
okay.
who's this?
No, Donnie said he saw 3 channels, all 3 going for sells.
So are we, that's the thing, are we the one that gets it wrong? Or are we the one that gets it right?
I'm not going to enter. I'm not going to enter. I'm not going to enter.
Who's talking on the live call? No one's on the live call. We all here.
Guys, if I can't know what Joash Naidu is doing, I can't trade this. If you tell me he's buying, then okay, Geeks, what are we doing there?
I've got to stick it out, bro.
Is he buying? Are you waiting for the 1 minute before?
I've got to still do it, guys. I'm going to do it. I've got to go for it, guys. 25 past, we start entering.
Yeah, I'm not gonna enter, Chad. I'm honest. I'm not gonna enter.
I'll let you know once I'm in, guys.
I'm not gonna. I'm conflicted. So good luck. I want to save my bullet for the open, for the cash open NYSE.
Little bro, I can't enter anything.
Really? Let
Like
me see if I
nothing,
can.
bro.
How do you mean nothing?
Like I can't enter anything.
Like even on the smallest. I went with a micro account this time. Let's see if I can open up something here.
Like, I can't enter anything, bro.
I can open up stuff here. Yeah, okay, the micro is yeah, the micro spreads are chalked. Okay, Keeks, to test it, I opened up 2 small positions on the micro.
Okay, I can't do USD at all, bro. So I'm doing NAS.
Are you doing Nasdaq now?
I can't get anything on.
Free margin. Yeah, but okay, I've got 2 small positions in here.
I literally can't get anything.
Okay, so I can actually
but remember, guys, we're in the bars here.
so I can't open up more. That's what I can do here. Is that the max here? So it seems they max you to like 2 positions.
I couldn't even get anything in, bro. So I don't know what you're talking about.
No, I've got a micro, so I've got 2 small positions. Like, it's not even gonna make money. Like, if it makes 1,000 rand, so it's literally. Keeks, you can throw it over to my screen here if you want to. Let me just do. Chad, yeah, that's all. It's two small positions on a micro account that I've opened up. Okay, wait, it's getting off a little bit. I'm just gonna run to the bathroom real quick.
But I can enter in gold.
Can you enter gold?
Okay, 40 seconds, guys. Oh, let's hope we got this one right, Chad. It's battle time, guys. It's battle time. Okay, guys, 10 seconds. Come on. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on! Come, boys!
Yo, where are we? Sheesh. Fuck, let me just close. Oh, Keeks. Can I close?
50K, baby. Woo!
I was too slow to lock here, Chad.
Come on, baby. They try to doubt us, boys. Come on.
What did it come out as? Wait, let's just see.
Come on, baby.
Sorry, wait, what did it come
I
out
told you we
as?
redeem ourselves today, guys. There's not a hell I'm missing twice.
Everything came up.
Come on.
Keeks, listen here. So think about this. So ADP was the correlating factor there.
Everything out. Guys, I'm out already. My thing literally froze. I'm out, but I'm taking it.
That thing jumped almost 400 points on US 30.
Unfortunately, I couldn't even do USD. I had to trade gold. Where is my US30 position?
All right, Keeks, I don't know if were you on my screen when chat.
Come on, baby.
Just quickly go there to my screen. Unfortunately, I only got 2 tiny positions in max. So all I've done is I've set my TPs there, chat. So let's just see if we can hit that TPs there. And then we'll lock it in. Nothing much. I didn't go big. Again, I was in 2 minds. ADP, you guys saw what we discussed in Discord, where I was talking about the ADP being correlated. So I was expecting lower. Thing is, if you look at 3.3.2, everything lower, so there's no denying that. Now if we can just get that wick full.
Andre, just to answer you, sorry, Chris. I
Yo.
did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 positions of 0.5. 0.05, sorry. And then a 0.1 on NASDAQ.
Alrighty. Video posted in the chat. I might, let me just go break even at least. Let me not lose the 5k. Stop loss to entry 38,837.
We don't miss twice, guys. We don't
Hey.
miss twice.
There you go.
Ah, Chad. 8k to 24k. W, bros. W's. A. Brilliant. Thanks, James. You go, Keys. W. Couldn't have more than. Well done, you guys. Fuck yes. Hey, Farbs, I told you, bro. We had to stick to it. We had to stick there, bro. 5% bagged on VF. The comeback. In the words of the pastor, guys, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.
Only 2 positions. If we... Kicks, this is usually what we do on a 1K account. 0.02.
Are you in it now?
I'm
To
still,
be fair,
I'm
it
still
should,
in
should
it.
continue.
Yeah, I just want to get this wick full.
It should continue because the numbers are below across the board.
Yeah.
So, guys, this is where my argument, like I was saying to you earlier, was we're going to have the bearish dollar now. Because this now plays into the book for Powell to talk the dollar back up in FOMC. That's what's going to come out. Because and the thing is, it's going to be even more interesting because we were bearish across the board. So now he's going to have to be like, yeah, Oaks, what's going on here?
Yeah, I just want to see this wick full. If we can get this wick to full.
We banged today, boys. We killed this thing. Hold on. Now actually wait, guys, there's a song I'm playing. There's a song we're playing, yeah. I know it mutes the one there, but
1.5 to 10k. Yeah, easy Griffin, because if you open up, if I see 10k, I'm locking in here.
bro, you know, my thing was what I worried. My thing completely froze because on my position it froze, and then it took like 3 minutes just to close the positions. Oh.
Yeah, chat, I'm just gonna see if we can get a wick full here. I'm just gonna move all the stop losses below this 5 minutes. Shouldn't come back there.
To the GG, what's that stand for? I am not a drug dealer, I'm a landlord. All my tenants in the roof, that Mercedes Benz don't need one. I went from Belly to Bel
Yo, bro, I'm mad, lol.
Who's mad?
Claybers. 2K to 12K. The family is eating today, guys.
I just wanna see 10. If I see 10.
Other than those that are still with Chris there, guys, please post, tag us, send the results in the group. If you don't want to post on IG, send the results in the group, in the Project G group. Love to see what you guys did today. We killed it. And you guys, this is like Christmas and New Year's in the same day. Because we're coming back in like 5 hours, 6 hours for FMC.
Listen, be honest. Listen, be honest. I was like, I didn't. It's not even the money for me. The last Friday when we got killed, it was like somebody died on street. Chad, you guys didn't even see the messages in the group. I still was it Saturday? I told the guys, I'm like, boys, listen here. You guys are. Bro, where did you get this song? This is Josh Answers. What song is it?
It's there's an artist that, and he's not copyright, so we can play his music.
Chad, this is the guy. Please send me that link. Kicks, he's the guy that I like. Stock Market Live.
Yeah. It's him, yeah.
Josh Answers. Chad, so here's the thing. I was like, dude, I cannot sit on a midweek. Like, at least NFP was on a Friday. The boys sulked. There was like motivational quotes being sent, and it's like Keegan working on Friday night, and Saturday morning is like, oh no, I'm already ready for CPI, and I'm like, hey, this man took it personal.
It was personal, bro.
Yeah, but you guys acted like it was the end of your training career.
Nah, bro, because
You guys were. And here's the thing: NFP is a bitch. NFP is.
Nah, bro. We killed that one.
I just want to see 10k. If I can see.
Now
10K,
you got it, bro.
At least 10k on these two small McNugget positions. These McNugs. Bro, how did you find Josh's? I've been looking for his music for how long?
You just have to ask, bro. James, are you guys gonna go big again for FMC or half your size entry there?
I wouldn't trade FMC.
Nah, I won't trade FMC. I'll watch it. I'll watch
greedy.
it, but I won't trade it. Bro, I made it my money now, so I'm happy.
Where do I get out here? We're not gonna fill that week. Where's Andre? Is Andre here? Oh, there's Andre. Gents, you are going to... Oh, bro, that's the gambler. Do you see that?
What's this?
Kiggs, do you see that? Do you see Andre?
What did you say?
Gents, are you going to go big again for FOMC? Or do you half your stuff?
He's locked and loaded now.
Bro, yeah. Bro, that's the thing with the gambler. This is not enough. This 400
now I can make double this.
Bro, this was a monster move. Like the average, we talked about the average for NFP is like 220. This move was 320. Andre.
Hey.
Yes, it's stay.
But also, Farbs now, I think he's bounced that boy. All the chats this morning we had. Yeah, no, appreciate it, guys. But also, yeah, so the guys like Farbs and that's the thing I love, sitting here chatting, going back and forth with the guys. But again, we had to show something up after NFP. So we got this, my boy. But as I say, it's nice having chats like that where we can bounce off each other and back and forth and just talk about everything. But I'm happy with the final decision we made.
If we can just get this little wick full. How much did check? I agree and I'm happy. Just thought you wanted... No. Andre, 10-1, what you'll see is this thing will trade all the way back down to where the news was released before FOMC. So, very likely you can see this thing trading here again with Powell speaking a little bit later tonight. That's why I'm a little bit in two minds. I'm in two minds whether to still hold on to this position. I just want to see if we can get that wick full. I was silly, man, when I saw 12,000 Rand here, then I didn't even close. I was like, fuck, where do I close? But let's see, even though if I just catch this, it's 5k, I was actually going to sit out. And then I just wanted to see if I can enter. And then I thought, flip, I'm already in. Might as well stack it now. And then I could only get 2 positions in. Keeg's got a nice stack there.
I'm just bleak, bro. I couldn't get on US30. Like, I literally couldn't.
I think we waited a little too long.
But bro, I couldn't even place a 0.01 on US30.
Yeah,
I couldn't place anything.
So this on the micro is equivalent of a 0.02, and usually on the dab accounts on 1,000, me and you do.
Last week when we blew up, I had a I had the equivalent of a 0.09 on US30. But couldn't even get anything.
Well done, broski.
brother.
Yeah, Chad, like I said, it's not even the money, it's more just the morale. Even if you traded with 1,000 Rand,
It looks like you're getting that wick fill there. On the higher timer on the 15, it looks very good for that wick fill.
yeah, I hope I get it. I just want to see 10k. If I can see 10k, what is the 15 looking like? Ooh, no bottom wick on this 15. Ooh. 10k and I'm out.
Couldn't put hardly as many percent as in a peaky. So, but you know what that thing is, guys. They knew something big was coming. That's where that margin was next level. We need to start. The thing is, Edgar, like you can, bro. But as much volatility, for example, as gold or any of them had, imagine the volatility does go the other way before it spikes the opposite.
Yeah,
You'll get nuked before the move even happens. And I always said that. That is my worst fear. Like, you are right, the move goes your way,
and
but you got wicked
before,
out before the news event.
Chad, let me know, lock in or let it move. Am I really gonna go negative RR? Yeah, let me just lock it in. I'm not. What is 1.5k between friends? Okay, I missed the 12k, so missed technically 4k. Yeah, but there you go.
Wait, so how much did you lock it in for?
Only deposited 5 and then 8,200 Rand. It was 12,000 when it was there at the peak.
Ah, bro, nothing wrong with
No,
that.
there's nothing. That's why I say. I wasn't even. So this is money for home. If it goes now for that wick full, I'll be pissed. This thing needs to.
It's always that. The minute you close.
Why did I close? No, I'm kidding, Chad. Yeah, think about it this way. Why give up? Why chasing 1,800 Rand and you give up 8,000 Rand? That doesn't make sense. So even I was hoping for that wick full. That's why I entered. I didn't think it was gonna grind like this to go and fill that wick. But Chad, there you go. To one extent, I got it wrong in the sense of I was. Here's my thing, and the reason why I say I got it wrong. Let me just show you guys. Is that this? I told Keeks. This year. When it was the last night we chatted with this morning, I said, Keeks, this is clean. Chad, how clean is that? When I ran the numbers here, how clean is it that ADP is almost perfectly correlated to CPI? And I said last night and this morning to Keeks, I said if I look at ADP, that's why I said this year threw me off completely. And it threw Keeks off as well, but he stuck to his guns. And I said that the other side of it is from a technical perspective, there's two scenarios. Now we actually gapped down. Holy shit, look at that. And then the other scenario is I told Keeks how fucked up of them to trade into the weekly R1. We've had 2 daily rejections and they leave that gap open there just to mind fuck everybody. And it's like, do we target that gap? And then the other case was the inflation. That's why I said, was I overthinking it? I don't know, but great call, Keeks. Well done, my brother. And then I just said this afternoon, I said, Keeks, I'm going with what you're doing.
Yeah, man put the pressure on me. Literally, guys.
I said literally,
Mo walks in, I'm sitting there, Chris laying on the couch, and he goes, bro, I just give up for today.
I'm conflicted.
I'm just going to do whatever you do. And Mo walks in and he goes, damn, is this where we are now? And we're like, that's the plan.
And then I said, Kiggs, I can see both sides. I'm conflicted, but at the end of the day, I'm not going to go against you. And if you're going buys, then I'm sticking it out with my man here on the buys.
Right, but I think that's it for the session.
Bro, why would this
obviously we
thing...
got to get ready for New York, and then keep in mind, guys, we are going to be there will be a call for FOMC tonight. If we don't trade it, we will have a call just so we can, if while he's saying things, we can kind of run you through it or whatever the case. We can actually maybe watch the press conference together.
Look at that. Fuck. Fuck, Chad.
But I think that's it, guys. Again, thank you for all of you guys, the Prodigy members, for backing us, choosing us. And we ate today, guys. We came back stronger in the name of the setback. But yeah, that's what it's about. So as we said, if we didn't stick it out today, then we weren't traders. We are officially gamblers. And now today we proved exactly why we do what we do. So again, appreciate all you guys. Can't wait to now go on my phone to see some of the results and stuff. You guys absolutely killed it. But we'll see you guys on the call tonight if you guys aren't on for the New York stream. I don't even think we're going to stream long for New York, honestly. I think I might just do an analysis, let JV have his little bit of time, and that's it. But otherwise, I'll see you guys then. Chris, any closing remarks?
No, Chad, well done. Please don't be greedy. Please don't tonight. Here's the thing with FOMC tonight. Remember, usually when Powell is done speaking, there's only about half an hour to 40 minutes left before the markets actually close. So do you really think guys are going to stack orders like real traders? They're going to go through the minutes. They're going to go through the journalists that ask questions. They're going to dissect it. They're going to have meetings with the analysts. So don't think you're going to miss anything. The thing is, tonight's event is going to set the tone for the rest of the month. Remember what I said with the daily? If this daily does this, then the rest of the month is very, very simple for us. So you're not going to miss anything if you do not trade FOMC. I've never ever in my life traded FOMC. Only once I traded a gold setup, a 5-minute wick fill from the something like this. You guys know about the wick fill that I trade. This is usually what I trade after a news event. A wick fill like this, double the body for the guys that have been with us for quite a while. Gigs knows this as well. Very simple. You wait for the bottom wick. Once it flips, your stop loss is there. I traded a setup like this, but again, it wasn't even into the event. So keep that in mind. Chad, peace and love, baby. We will see you guys a little bit later. Thanks so much.
Cheers, Chad.